Hey, I'm going to show you how you can use the built-in vision impairment emulators both in Firefox and in Chrome. I'm doing this on a Mac, but I'm pretty sure that it will work the same way on other platforms like Windows or Linux. All right, let's go. The first one I'm showing you is Firefox. Step 1, right-click. Step 2, go to Inspect Accessibility Properties. And then the panel appears depending on your settings on the right, the bottom, or the left. Now, the font sizes in this panel are incredibly small, and for me, that's hard to read. So I'm going to enlarge it, and I do so by hitting Command plus. On a PC, that would be Control plus. All right. Then the next step is you search for simulate with a little eye symbol. I will zoom out here. Sorry, zoom in. And then you click that to choose the variation of color blindness that you are looking to emulate or something else. In this case, I will choose deuteranopia. And as you can see, the color scheme dramatically changed. Now, I'll show you in Chrome. In Chrome, you start out the same way. First, you right-click, then you go down to Inspect, but from there on, it's much different. I've already enlarged the panel here. I'll do it a bit more. And then on the top right, you see a cogwheel, and there are 3 little dots. You click that, then you go down to More Tools, and from there on, you go down to Rendering. Then you scroll all the way down to Emulate Vision Deficiencies, and there you can choose what you want to see. So I choose Blurred Vision here, and now you can see why great fonts and good contrast is so important. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and if you have requests for other ones, let me know in the comments. Thank you.